Long ago, a man went to see the circus show. Before the show began, he saw that a lot of elephants were held by only a small rope tied to their front leg. The man suddenly stopped, confused by the fact that such huge creatures were being held by such a thin yet small rope. There was no chains and no cages. It was obvious that the elephant could break away the ropes at any time from their bonds, but for some reason were not even trying. The man saw the elephant's trainer standing next to elephant. He was curious to know why the elephant were not trying to escape from here. To this the trainer told him that they were like this since the time they were very young. At that time it was enough to hold them. As they grew up they were tuned. They could not break away. They believed the rope could still hold them. One hearing this, the man was completely shocked. He was looking at the elephants in a pity and he went away from there.